Zoom Weekend Show पर आज गेस्ट हैं सिंगर नेहा भसीन. Born and brought up in Delhi, she started her career in 2002 as a member of the Indian pop group Viva. The first all-girls band in the country made it to the Limca Book of Records for being the first debut band to pull in more than 50,000 people for their first concert. दिल दिया गल्ला, जग घूमिया, धुन की और कुछ खास गाने वाली इस सिंगर ने रिसेंटली सलमान की मच अवेटेड फिल्म रेस 3 के लिए हीरी ये सॉन्ग गाया है. और आज हम मुंबई के बांद्रा में इनके घर पर कर रहे हैं इनसे मुलाकात.
Show. This is me, Gunjan, with a very gorgeous Neha Bhasin. What a gorgeous place we're sitting at. Like मेरी आधी तबीयत तो सिर्फ ये देखकर खुश हो गई है कि what a pretty house, man.
Thank you.
How did the house happen to you?
So मैं हमेशा बांद्रा में रही हूँ. जब से बॉम्बे 16 साल हो गए मुझे बॉम्बे.
What? It was like one of those thing कि यार मैं बांद्रा के अलावा कहीं और
नहीं. I had no idea कि ऐसा कुछ बांद्रा जैसी जगह है. जब मैं आई थी तो I was in Viva.
हाँ.
Our first house was in Bandra, and then I just never moved out. So it was one of those love affairs with Bandra.
Bandra is kind of a place that you never want to move out of. This, but talking about your Viva days, I remember, and I don't want to sound any other way, but I remember dancing on the song in school.
Which one?
Which one was that?
Were you Anushka? Since you're the tallest.
I was just the man, the girl, the everything, because they were like, इस height का कुछ तो फायदा उठाना पड़ेगा. But what song was that? You'll have to remind me.
हमने गीत सुनाए.
हमने गीत सुनाए.
हमने गीत सुनाए. हमने something दिखाए तुम्हें.
Oh my God, this was such a cool song, way ahead of its time. But how was it like? Who were you like to actually apply for somebody like something like Viva? How did it all happen for you?
Long story, right? So, I mean, I always wanted to be a pop star. And...
oh, bachpan mein you were like, I'm going to go like...
Yeah. Just today I made an Instagram post. I was born a pop star. I'm going to live one and die one. Like, for me, I'm a bona fide true blue pop star. I'm not talking about my success. I'm talking about how I am as a person.
Yeah, how you just feel.
Yeah, for me, it's like, you know, some people want to be a rock star. I just want to be a pop star. Like, that's it. It's all, for me, it's all about the stage, the glitz, the glamour, the powerful vocals, the look. All of that. So I always liked it. I was always very attracted to artists worldwide. Michael Jackson being the first one. Obviously, 90s kids, you know. So, Bella, Madonna, of course.
Wow.
And then the R&B stars like Mariah, Celine, Toni Braxton, whatever. So, all the music channels back in the day in the 90s were like something I used to worship at that time. कि मैं मम्मी से लड़ाई करके कि let me watch Asian Top 20. I'll finish my homework. बच्चे.
Wow.
हाँ, so I was one of those kids.
So tell me, Viva to here, and I've heard about few interviews जो आप लोगों ने बहुत टाइम के बाद जिनके बारे में बात की that there were a lot of body image problems and how they had like this strict idea how you want to be, and that's why some of you fell apart also. What were those days like? You were very young. You were like almost a teen. How was it to get treated that way? Not getting enough food, getting judged on body. Oh my God, that's the worst.
Yeah, it was really bad. So, see, thankfully, I've kind of gotten over it finally.
You have?
Yeah, I have. I can say I've finally gotten over it 100%. But it was not a short journey. I think वो पूरा एक decade लग गया. And जब हम लोगों ने सबने मिलके बात करी, we realized कि हम सबको body image issues हो गए थे. और funny बात ये है कि जब हम बॉम्बे आए थे तो हमें नहीं थे.
Right.
No, we didn't have. Because I don't remember ever feeling कि oh, हमारी जनरेशन ऐसी नहीं थी कि इतना ये क्यों है वो क्यों है या मेरी नाक ऐसी क्यों. I didn't care about things like this. I was having a good time. I thought it was the most good looking thing to happen to mankind.
I know.
And so did boys in Delhi. So I didn't.
Look who was the pataka in Delhi.
Yeah, I was called Tota and also. But Bombay aage suddenly you're like, what happened? Like why am I not perfect? Like
yeah.
So you don't walk right, you don't sing right, you don't eat right, and
wow.
I think unfortunately हमारी इंडस्ट्री के और अब तो दुनिया के ऐसे अजीब से स्टैंडर्ड्स बन गए हैं कि you know, oh, big hair is not in, but maybe I have big hair. Maybe that's what I'm born with.
Yeah.
So, oh, now everybody should have straight hair. Oh, tall is out, short is in. So what do? Cut our legs and become shorter or become taller? I mean, you know what I'm saying? Like you can't have.
Legs.
I feel you can't have. Yeah,
you can't make everyone happy.
You can't make beauty standards. You can't make them. That's
yeah.
It.
You are just who you are.
Yeah.
And I actually stalk you on Instagram, and I've seen your posts. Like you're not ki acha somebody has sent something abusive and I'm gonna let it go or just block him. No, you make it a post. You make sure everybody sees it, and you're like, अब देखो तो हम embarrass करके रहेंगे. And you've also gone out and messaged somebody's mother telling them कि आपका बेटा ये कर रहा है.
Yeah. I'm a bit sunky that way. Like. Yeah. मुझे ऐसा it depends on my mood. Like if I'm in a good mood, maybe I'll let 10 things go. But if on a bad day I catch one of these pervy boys, man, they're dead. Like जब मैं छोटी थी, दिल्ली में पली बड़ी हूँ, ईव टीजिंग वॉज द थिंग एंड आई फील लाइक इट्स नॉट एंडेड. आज मैं छोटी नहीं हूँ और अभी भी मुझे ईव टीज कर रहे हो और मेरे जैसी 100 लड़कियों कर रहे हो और छोटे बच्चों को भी कर रहे हो. राइट. So I think that someone needs to talk about it and someone needs to not just talk but tell them, hey listen, it's not okay.
Cool,
yeah, it's not okay.
So talking about your Delhi days, now what kind of a Delhi ki kudi were you before? Obviously pop star is one of your identities, but how did people used to call you? Who were you really like growing up?
So most of my friends used to call me Bhasin. Yeah, Neha Bhasin, but Bhasin bolte the sare. I was quite a gunda. Yeah, though I was tomboyish, but still I was I mean, boys like me. Let's just put it that way. Now I'm going to be upfront about it, and I like the boys. But मेरे पापा ने जब मेरी 2 years back when I got married, he had written this big poem in which he wrote that there was a time when she played with her toys, and then there were those boys. So my dad remembers like कि एक चीज़ जिससे मुझे बचाना पड़ता था was boys. Like I was always like and they were always like So yeah.
I wonder. I think we'll have to have like.
I mean, I was not subtle, shy.
I was out there.
I was pretty much like this actually. I haven't
changed. And you owned your sexuality.
Like I did. I didn't know what it meant at that time.
Yeah.
But yeah, I was okay. I was always very comfortable with my body always, and like I said, I mean, I didn't have those issues back then.
Yeah. So gossip तुमने बहुत सारा कर लिया, but talking about you and your Salman Khan movies luck, that's just been working one after the other. I mean, it was Swag Se Swagat, there was Dil Diya Kala, which is my personal favorite, Heere, which has come out, and that's what I'm going to talk to you about. Tell me, how have you found out this trick that works every time?
Dude, I have no trick. I'm telling you, formulas never work. I think it's just a good time in my life. लक भी नहीं बोल सकते यार, बहुत मेहनत करी है, लक तो नहीं हो सकती.
नहीं हो सकती. कभी ना कभी तो दिखना है.
I work my butt off in this industry.
Yeah, how many years now?
16. But I started young, guys. I'm not old. Yeah, I did. I was in college when I started. Yeah, it's my 16th year in the industry.
Wow.
So started like a pop star, then playback, karte. So I think it's been good. Yeah, I think especially the past 3 years have been great. I've been singing good songs. I've been doing my own music, doing the kind of concerts I like. I think I've finally reached a point in my life where I'm actually enjoying my career a lot, Yeah. And for me, that matters even more than success because I want to be here for the next 25 years. For sure. So I better be having fun. And I am having fun.
So I was trying to get out some gossip from outside and I said, chalo, koi to kuch batao. But nothing really came out.
About me?
About you. Matlab kuch nahi nikla. Like either they don't know you well enough, ya fir they just didn't want to tell me. But one thing that they mentioned and I kind of agree.
I think I live my life well, man. Nobody knows. Or maybe they don't want to know. I don't know.
Aren't you an open book? I thought that was the answer that was coming.
I am, but thankfully my 20s are gone. They were the really gossipy days. I'm married now.
Do you want to tell us some gossip that world doesn't know about?
Off the camera maybe. I don't know. What gossip?
But yes, what? Let people know. There are girls who want to aspire to this Neha Bhasin and you can make mistakes.
I don't know. Is there a gossip?
Oh, one mistake that you made which you're not very proud of?
Many.
So, ek ke baare mein bol do so that people know that mistakes are not the end of the life. You have to get up and make it work.
Okay, I've made many mistakes in my life. I think सबसे बड़ा mistake जो मुझे नहीं लगता वो नहीं करना चाहिए. But I used to be very muffled and say whatever I'm feeling to people when asked, and it's gotten me into a lot of trouble with people. Like especially in the beginning of my career, even with the girls, even with the Viva girls. Like ऐसा time था कि 1 महीना मुझसे बात नहीं करी थी उन लोगों ने, मैंने भी उनसे. And I was like, and I still am. I'm a hard task master. Like if rehearsal means rehearsal, 6 hours. मैं rehearse कर रही हूँ तो सब करेंगे. So even the band hated me because I was like the one who wanted to work and everybody else wanted to party. I think other than that, the one big mistake that I made is I went to Chennai for a recording. And they made me wait for 10 hours. I can never forget that day. No, I'm serious. They made me wait for 10 hours. I'm not going to name the music director. And in a small room and food was being thrown in. I felt like a prisoner. And finally I was called at 10 in the night and they were like, the song is not in your key. And I remember I made a promise to myself that day that I'll never ever walk into a studio without asking them what the song is. And I will make it. Like I think that was one of those driving forces days in my life.
Yeah.
And where I genuinely felt very insulted and stupid. So yeah, I'm not going to tell you my drunk stories now, okay, on camera, please. No.
You're always known for your anger, right? Like you're kind of somebody who's not known, but
no, I like the way I want to look at my team. Like
they didn't say a word. They did not say anything.
Look at both of them. Yeah.
Hi.
I'm known for my anger? Really? Am I?
Aren't you? Like you are actually one of those people who are out there, who would say things how they are and people just For them it's intense, for them it's intimidating, and they're like,
Yeah.
how dare she?
I say how I'm feeling, but like
Yeah.
my anger kind of goes away in a second. But if I'm feeling at that point, everybody feels the heat. I don't hide it.
Let's not talk about our angry stuff. We're also
Yeah.
great human beings, and you have a fetish for shoes and bags and clothes. Oh my god, every time मतलब जैसे झलक भी मिलती है ना Instagram पे, and I'm just like, this woman, what is she doing?
I do. I actually especially love shoes. Shoes, clothes, yeah, bags, little bit, sunglasses. You do follow me. Perfumes, yes. I always feel I don't have enough.
Yeah, we all feel that, but yours is like a real concern. But did you plan on this that अगर मैं एक बार successful बन जाऊँगी, then that's the amount
My
of
mother
money?
just called me a wannabe a few days back. Yeah, my mother called me a wannabe because I bought another pair of sunglasses and I said, I get photographs, so I need new ones. I was just making a bahana. I was like, तुम wannabe हो गई हो? I'm like, who calls their daughter a wannabe?
Now we know where have you gotten that Mufat
Yeah,
Khan
and my
from.
mother didn't, she didn't even flinch. Yeah, I mean, I just said it like that. I'm like, Mama,
Yeah.
you just called me a wannabe. Like, nobody calls me a wannabe.
Yeah, mothers are like that.
So,
They
yeah,
know how to
but
push your buttons.
yeah, they do. But I do love sunglasses. I think if I had to prioritize, I'd say shoes, sunglasses, perfumes, clothes, house furniture, healthy food. I mean, shopping list, candles.
We have to go shopping. I'm sure you'll
We have to go
outdo me. But एक काम करते हैं. अभी हमने बहुत सारे questions पूछे, बहुत सारी बातें की. Let's do a quick rapid fire so that you don't have enough time to think about it.
Okay, rapid fire.
Rapid fire. First person you dial in trouble.
Oh my god, I think my mom. My husband doesn't take my call.
Selfie में pouch या smile?
Selfie mein pout, smile. Anyway, smile.
You're not a
Fully.
pouty person. I haven't seen.
No, I look better with a smile. I have a natural pout.
Favorite WhatsApp group you're in?
I hate WhatsApp groups. I hate them, okay? But the only one I like is my family one. Destination Next, where we plan our next holidays.
That is so cool. I would love to be on that. How many times have you Googled yourself?
I Google myself almost every day. That's a joke. Every second day?
Ah!
A lot of times.
Mobile max silent पे रहता है या on रहता है?
Always silent.
Yeah. Instagram
But always in my hand.
It's just like obsessive.
I'm too truthful, man. I don't like it.
No, that's how you want it. Instagram पे कितने followers?
कम है, 265k है. 1 million तक तो होने चाहिए.
That's it. I mean, 265k.
That's it.
But no, 1 million तो होने चाहिए. You're definitely 1 million kind of a single. One question you hate to answer. I hope I haven't asked the question.
How has your journey been? Like,
How's your journey been, Neha? अब तो आंसर करना पड़ेगा.
it's been different shapes of potty. I know you won't keep that, but it's true. It's like asking how was your potty every day, right? It's different. Your journey just bloody like changes, right? Like,
It's so ironical that we're having talks today. It just
yeah, some days it's diarrhea, some days it's solid, some days it's really flat, sometimes it's only water, like whatever.
Mr. Producer, you better keep it. You better keep this conversation in there.
I think slowly the lady like is going out of the window. I'm breaking my.
Okay, autobiography बनती नेहा भसीन की तो क्या नाम होता?
I'm more than my assets.
Are you?
Now that it's not just this, everything like.
Everything. Song you humming these days else than other than Hiri?
Here you go. You just want attention. You don't want my heart. Charlie Puttar. Charlie Putt.
सुबह उठ के सबसे पहले क्या करती हूँ आप?
Mostly breathing. Yeah, Om. Yeah, I hear a meditation for 6 minutes before I start my day. As we spoke, that we are psychos.
Wow.
And then I go for my workout.
So what is a regular day in Neha Bhasin's life like?
Very irregular. No, I'm kidding. I'm very disciplined. So I wake up in the morning, I usually meditate, I go for my workout, I come back, I have my breakfast, I have a bath, I sing for a while, and then I start my day with whatever has to be done.
Whatever has to be done. So here you go.
And I decide every morning I will not look at WhatsApp, I won't look at Instagram. Some days I give in, some days I don't. That's part of the routine. I think we're all addicts.
We are, even if you don't want to believe, and especially somebody who's got 200k more followers, I can totally get why do you need to be there. But before we go, we have to see, you're known for your singing, you're known for your great voice, Neha, but I also know you're known for your pop star style when you're on the stage. So one pop star move, Neha Bhasin's pop star's move to banta hai. Let's just have a look at that.
It always works. And then if you use your hand, it works even better.
Super cool! That was Neha Bhasin, who lived through and I lived through my food poisoning days. But this was so much fun, and thank you so much for being on Zoom Weekend. On the other side is this week's review coming up by Sakshma. You don't go anywhere, and don't forget to keep watching Zoom. Hello and welcome back to Zoom Weekend Show. It's now time to talk about this week's mega Eid release, Salman Khan's Race 3. जहां रेस और रेस 2 को अब्बास मस्तान ने डायरेक्ट किया था, रेस 3 को डायरेक्ट किया है रेमो डिसूजा ने। ट्रेलर में आपने देखा ही होगा that the movie has an ensemble cast. There's Salman Khan, Anil Kapoor, Bobby Deol, Jacqueline Fernandez, Daisy Shah, Saqib Salim and Freddie Daruwala. मूवी की स्टोरी एक रईस खानदान के बारे में है जिसमें कोई एक दूसरे को ज़्यादा पसंद नहीं करता है। सलमान की बाकी मूवीज़ को देखने के बाद आई एक्सपेक्टेड कि ये पूरी मूवी सिर्फ उन्हीं के इर्द गिर्द घूमेगी, बट सरप्राइजिंगली रेस 3 में सारे एक्टर्स के ऑलमोस्ट इक्वल नंबर ऑफ सीन्स हैं और सब प्लॉट में इक्वली इंपॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले कर रहे हैं। ऑफ कोर्स मूवी में सारे किरदार इतने पैसे वाले हैं कि हर वक्त बहुत सजे धजे रहते हैं, हमेशा महंगे सूट्स, ड्रेसेस, हाई हील्स और पूरे दिन ड्रिंक करते हैं और ऑलमोस्ट हर रात पार्टी करते हैं। इनका ये लाइफस्टाइल हमारी सेहत के लिए काफ़ी हानिकारक है क्योंकि इनकी हर पार्टी के लिए मूवी में एक गाना है और सॉन्ग्स के बारे में तो क्या कहें, लिरिक्स तो जस्ट फॉरगेट इट। बर्फ़ के पहाड़ों पे शिफॉन साड़ी में टिपिकल बॉलीवुड स्टाइल का रोमांस है, पर मूवी में एक सुपर हिट रोमांटिक ट्रैक की कमी आपको बिल्कुल महसूस होगी। फाइटिंग सीक्वेंसेस हद से ज़्यादा अनरियलिस्टिक हैं। फॉर एग्जाम्पल देयर इज अ सीन जिसमें सलमान खान को अराउंड 30 लोग चेस कर रहे हैं एंड दे आर फायरिंग शॉट्स विद गन्स एट हिम नॉन स्टॉप, बट क्लियरली दे ऑल हैव टेरेबल एम बिकॉज उसमें से एक भी गोली उन्हें लगती नहीं है। और हाँ, चाहे ये लोग कितनी भी मार खा लें, गिरे पड़े, जब वापस खड़े होते हैं तो लड़कों के बाल परफेक्टली जेल्ड एंड स्लीक होते हैं और लड़कियां तो ऐसी लगती हैं जैसे अभी अभी पार्लर से निकली हैं। डेजी और जैकलीन का कैट फाइट सीक्वेंस तो एक रिजिडली कोरियोग्राफ्ड डुएट डांस सीक्वेंस लग रहा है। रेमो ने फाइट करते टाइम भी दोनों के ब्यूटीफुल 180 डिग्री स्प्लिट्स कवर किए हैं, हेयर फ्लिप्स हैं, स्लो मोशन में हवाएं चल रही हैं एंड व्हाट नॉट। The performances are pretentious and probably the only actor who brings in genuine style and panache to the screen is Anil Kapoor. He's effortlessly impressive and is the highlight of every scene he's a part of. Yes, to his fans' delight, Salman Khan goes shirtless in the movie and the theatre explodes in applause and cheers. Movie का सबसे बड़ा plus apart from Salman's stardom, I mean, is the budget. बहुत बड़े बजट की मूवी है which is quite evident in the cinematography, which makes excellent use of beautiful outdoor locations and lavish sets. फिल्म के स्टाइलिस्ट्स, कॉस्ट्यूम और सेट डिज़ाइनर्स ने बहुत अच्छा काम किया है, so big thumbs up for them. मूवी में काफ़ी twists and turns हैं which might take you by surprise. I just felt dialogues और ज़्यादा impactful हो सकते थे because then it gives the makers something more for the audience to remember. मैं रेस 3 को 2.5 स्टार्स देती हूँ because I definitely think इस मूवी में ऐसा कुछ नहीं है which is worth remembering. Thank you very much. Take care of yourself and enjoy the weekend and keep watching Zoom.